Good morning guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Nothing like being in a new location and actually getting some really nice colour on the sky. This morning I'm down at Barragga Beach, which is about 10 minutes south of Barragga. You might remember about 6 months ago I did a vlog on Horsehead Rock. And I'll link the description to Horsehead Rock in the screen above. I came down here again with the thought of getting some shots of Horsehead Rock and Camel Rock, but the conditions haven't worked out, the tide hasn't worked out, so I was out scouting locations yesterday and I came down here and I found this little location. I thought it'd be a nice little spot to do a sunrise shoot, and as it's turned out we've got some really nice high cloud on the horizon, so hopefully we'll get some nice shots here this morning. Certainly got potential the way it's starting to get a little bit of colour in the sky. If you have a look at my composition here this morning, I've got these rocks in the foreground here and leading out as a leading line, and it's actually through the wide angle lens it actually looks like a wedge shape leading out towards the sunset. I've got the beautiful texture on the rocks on the right, on the left hand side, these rocks on the right hand side. I've got this rock in the foreground and the two channels either side. So hopefully as the sun comes up I'll get some white water rushing up both sides of this channel. I'll be able to take an image of the sun as it's rising across the horizon. Just got to keep an eye on the white water here. It's coming up around my feet as I speak, but hopefully if I can get some of that white water running away with the sunrise, yeah, it should look really nice. Really starting to get some beautiful light starting to kiss on those white clouds now. Just absolutely stunning sky. The light rays shining through. I'm just continually firing shots here, but yeah, just a stunning sunrise. Well, the sky's exploded in colour here now. We've got a beautiful sky. And I'm just feverishly trying to take shots, and I don't have a lot of time to talk to the camera because it's happening really quickly, and I'm trying to capture this light and then trying to capture the water running in and out around this rock formation. But yeah, certainly a stunning spot and a stunning location. So glad that I came down here. I was down here yesterday morning just scouting some spots to do a sunrise shoot, and this spot looked perfect with the rocks acting as a natural leading line, these knife edge rocks that run out into the ocean. But yeah, just a beautiful spot. My current settings I have at the moment, I'm running at about a 6-second exposure at f11. I've got a 0.3 neutral density filter in the front there. Just try and balance out the sky, and it seems to be working really well. As it's getting brighter, my shutter speed, I'm just going to slowly shorten it up. But yeah, what a fantastic morning. Changed my composition and the sun's just about to crest the horizon, and I've moved up into this area here where we've got the water running up through this little natural gully through here. And what I'm doing is I'm just trying to fire the shot now at half a second as the water's running away back down through the channel, and its seems to be working really well. Sun's just coming across the horizon. I said most of that colour's disappeared out of the top of the sky, but yeah, really vibrant and sharp on the horizon there at the moment. Really windy here now, and I'm trying to keep my camera as still as I possibly can. The wind's really picked up now, and I'm just trying to get a shot here of the water rushing away. Currently I'm using a shutter priority at about a half a second to try and maintain some detail in that water as it runs away, but it's getting really difficult trying to keep the camera still, and I guess the wind noise will be picking up on the microphone as well. Here's one coming, and this looks like the money shot. Yeah, I'm really happy with that one. We got enough water coming right up around the tripod, a lot of white water, so just held off on the shutter until the wave was running back out between these rocks, and at half a second at f8 I managed to maintain some really nice streaking, which actually acts as a natural leading line as well as these rocks out into the sunrise. So yeah, that worked really well. Sun's finally crested the horizon here now, and I'm pretty happy with a couple of the shots that I got here this morning. It was definitely worth coming down here and checking out this beautiful little secluded beach. As I said, it's about 10 minutes south of Barragga, beautiful rock formations and a lovely sky this morning. So as far as photography goes, I can't ask for anything more than that. So yeah, really happy with how it went this morning. Good morning. It's day 2 on my trip down south, and I wasn't intending coming back to Camel Rock, but the conditions this morning look pretty positive, so I came back here this morning and I'm going to shoot a sunrise here with Camel Rock in the foreground. You may remember I was here a couple of months ago and was going to do some shooting at Camel Rock, and I was actually blasted off the beach by a southerly change. So it's really nice to come back here this morning and have another opportunity to get a shot of Camel Rock with the sunrise in the background. For the clouds behind Camel Rock to start to catch a little bit of that first morning light, and then I'll start firing my shots. As I said, I'm down low. I've got a 0.3 graduated filter in this morning just to try and balance out the sky. And I think the rocks in the foreground and the oceans running up and running back will create a really nice natural leading line into Camel Rock and then into the sunrise in the background. Nothing quite like these south coast beaches for a bit of landscape photography. I've been here for the 2 days now and I've done 2 sunrise shoots and I haven't seen another soul around. It's just so nice to get out to be able to go to these beautiful locations and not be overcrowded by other photographers and people. Got that little bit of beautiful blood red colour on the horizon, it's just touching away in the back corner there. It's really making this picture look really nice. I've got the waves coming up slowly and then running back down like they are here now, and then firing the shot. That concludes this shoot here at Camel Rock today. Really great to be down here on the south coast and be able to capture a few images. The sky wasn't fantastic, we got a little bit of colour in the end there, but it was just nice to be out shooting in a new location. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, you know what to do. Go down below, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before and you're new to the channel, you like what you see, then please consider subscribing. Tap the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Hopefully I'll be around shooting some more landscapes soon. I'll see you then.